Hi, welcome to another IWCS video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the radio interface, the interface between your external radio and your intercom system. Let's check out how it works. The radio interface handles data transmission and communication between your intercom and an external radio. Now, because these two systems are separate, you might have some volume discrepancies between one and the other, and you might want to adjust that. Now, you can do that on your radio interface, and I'm going to show you how. Now, the first thing you want to do is remove these two rubber plugs in the front of the interface, which will reveal two small holes. And behind those two small holes are two adjustment screws for volume of transmitting and receiving. Now, to start off with the receiving volume, you're going to want to have, first of all, somebody speaking to you from this external radio in your system. This will be represented, for example, by this handheld radio here. And then you want to be listening on one of your headsets connected to your intercom system at the same time. Now, you want the person to begin to speak, and you want to hear their voice in the headset, and at the same time, you're going to want to adjust the screw, the RX volume screw, either clockwise or counterclockwise, and adjust the sound until you find your preference. The screw has a motion of about 300 degrees, and you will feel a clear stop when you hit either top or bottom volume level. Same thing applies to the transmitting. You're going to want to transmit from your headset, activate the PTT and transmit from your headset, have somebody listening on the external radio, and turn your adjustment screw on the TX volume. You're going to want to turn that and have that volume level set to your preference again. Once you've done that, your volumes are set and you're basically ready to use your system. One last thing you might want to know about the radio interface is it has an LED status button on the front, which is blinking green when it is operating and turned on, and it will light up green when any push-to-talks are activated in the system. So that's gives you an option to see that the data transfer is working. That was today's video on the radio interface. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and we'll help you as best as we can. Take care.